Today we are going to be learning all about Eid al-Fitr, also known as Eid. Eid al-Fitr is a Muslim festival which comes at the end of the month of Ramadan. Eid means festival or celebration. Festival. Festival is a day of celebration. Celebration. Tell your adult, do you know the names of any other festivals? Al-Fitr means breaking of the fast. Fast. Eid Mubarak is a greeting often used during the festival, and it means have a blessed Eid. So, how is Eid celebrated? Muslim families celebrate Eid al-Fitr by putting on new clothes. Salwar kameez. Here I have a salwar kameez. Salwar kameez is cultural clothing that Muslims would wear on Eid Day. What cultural clothes do you wear on your festival? Muslim families enjoy sharing meals with family and friends. They prepare all different kinds of food like samosas, pakoras, kebabs and much more. This is an example of what Muslim families would eat on Eid Day. Here I have some chicken curry and some rice. Which foods do you eat? Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr by also giving out presents and greeting cards to friends and family, as Eid is marked by kindness. Present. Muslim families also decorate their homes with colourful decorations and lanterns. Decoration. Decorations are items that are used to set the scene for celebrations. Muslims also read their holy book, the Quran. Quran. And they go to a mosque to pray. Mosque. A mosque is a Muslim place of worship. Eid al-Fitr is a time for Muslim people to thank Allah for the strength that He has given them to have self-control during Ramadan. It is a time to celebrate with family and friends. Tell your adult, what have you found out about Eid? Pause the video now and tell your adult something that you can remember about Eid. I am now going to make an Eid greeting card and send it to my friend, Miss Nazmi. Let's make our Eid card. I'm going to use gold glitter, some glue to stick the glitter with, a pencil to draw with, and some colours to make the card look really special. So the first thing you will need to do is fold your piece of paper in half so that it looks like a card. Like so. Now I am going to draw a moon. Because the moon shows that the festival has begun. Next to the moon, I'm going to draw a star, as I will use glitter over this later. So now I will begin to write Happy Eid. So, A, yeah, and Eid. Remember your capital letters. Here is my Happy Eid card. I have my glue ready to use my glitter. Now we are ready for our gold glitter to make it look really special. Time to shake our glitter off. And your picture should look something like this. I'm now going to draw some hearts for more decoration. You can put whatever you like on yours, and then I will colour it in later. Then I am going to put inside my card, I will put the name of the person you are sending it to. So 2, Nis, Nazmeen, don't forget to use capital letters, comma, and we're going to write Happy Eid. So H with a capital, A, P, P, Y, and Eid, capital E, Eid. From F, O, Miss Chauhan. I wonder who you'll send your special card to. So this is what my Eid card looks like. I can't wait to see all of yours. Instead of Happy Eid, you can put Eid Mubarak, which means have a blessed Eid. Now it's your turn. Your challenge is to create your own Eid card. What will you use to create your card? What decorations will you put on your card? How will you make your card? And who will you send it to? I hope you have as much fun as I did creating my card.
Don't forget to upload your work to XApp, or you can email it to our reception email. We hope you have lots of fun. Bye!